Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you have not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Alright guys, so this is my room door. This is the door, and when I open my door, this is my view. This is an overview, and I'll be giving you guys the tour officially. Alright guys, this is the back of my door. I don't have anything at the back of my door, but when you get over here, I have a little poster thing. It's like an Instagram post with my name being Selfie for Christ, and it says God took a selfie and printed me out in 3D. This is my light switch. Right below that I have my bin. Then over here I have my dresser, and on my dresser the first thing you'll see is this organizer. At the top I have some bracelets. I have my little rubber ducky brush. I have some random things in this, and my camp tag. I have my two watches, the yellow and purple, my two favorite colors. Then down here I have my nail polishes, all my nail polishes. Then in here I have some nails because I do my nails sometimes. And then over here I have my nail clip and things like that. Down here I have two eyeglasses. I have a fan, just a little fan. I have my first aid kit, some tissue, a rose, and my toothbrush. Then here I have some perfumes, lotion, body wash, some powder, some baby oil, deodorant, and so on. In the middle I have a body butter that I got from one of my students for my birthday. These are my facial things, and I have the Clean and Clear Morning Burst, the Clean and Clear Deep Action, and the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. Then this is a vanishing cream. Then over here I have all my hair stuff, and as you guys can see, they're all Cantu. So let me go through them quickly. This is the Cantu Conditioning Cream Hair Lotion. This is very good. It makes my hair soft. This is the Cantu Wave Whip Curling Mousse. This is the Cantu Styling Stay Gel Extra Hold. And this is the Leave-In Condition Repair Cream. As you guys can see, I've used a whole lot of this. This is almost finished. This is the Coconut Curling Cream. And this is the Twist and Lock Gel. Now this little packet here I got from a pharmacy free of cost. It's the Beautiful Textures Curl Control Defining Pudding, and I haven't used that as yet. This is the new shampoo I'm trying, Sulfur 8 Deep Cleansing Shampoo. Then here I have some oil, some baby nursery jelly oil. Then I have the ORS olive oil edge control. Then over here I have my lamp, and it has a rotating bulb in it, and I'll insert a clip to show you guys that. Alright, so this is the lamp that I'm talking about. This is when it spins. Ooh. And this is what it creates, yo. Look at that. And I'm going to turn the lights off so you guys can. Then under here I have my spray bottle and a roll of tissue. Then I have my mirror here. It's not really full length, it's supposed to be a door thing, but I didn't want it on the door, so I placed it on the floor. That rhymes. And here, then when you go over here, this is my sister's door. Then when you get over here, you have my makeup stuff. I had to turn on flash because this side of the room is kind of a little darker. So in here I have all my foundations and mascaras, concealers, contour stuff, eyebrow stuff, and stuff like that, setting powder, stuff like that. Then here I got my makeup thing, my makeup brushes. So I have one cup that I made saying wake up and makeup. The next one saying makeup addict. These are the brushes. Then over here in this bag I have some wipes, my pencils, stuff like that. Over here I have my lip stuff, so lip gloss, lip balm, lipsticks, tinted lip glosses and stuff like that. Then here I have my jewelry kit, and yeah, I just have a small amount because I just pierced my ears. So yeah, in here is my bookcase. As you guys can see, I have a lot of books. I have a pan here. So alright, I have a pan here with my hair stuff. I have my air cleaning stuff here. So this cup, alcohol, and some Q-tips. I have my hair brushes and combs. Then this is a random box, and over here I have my electronics box. Right, and down there I have 2 shelves of books. Then the bottom shelf I have all my shoes. I have heels. I got my heels, my school shoes, my sneakers, and my slippers and flat shoes. Then when you come around the side of my book press, you will see my clipboard that I made into a whiteboard, and I just use whiteboard wrapping. And I have my to-do list. As you can see, I have these done, but I'm still filming another video. And I have my marker. I also have some Christmas lights, and it leads around to this side of my room. So you guys can see it's pretty cool. This is the setup I have with my lights, and I'll turn that on to let you guys see that. So guys, as you can see, that is pretty lit. That's lit. So I have here my calendar, and beside that I have my timetable that I made. This is supposed to be up here. Yep, I have my timetable. Then on my bed I have this nice little blanket thing that I got from my mom. She bought it in Chapelton. Then this pretty little baby, I love this thing so much. I was like walking in Linstead and I saw a lady with it selling them, and this caught my eye, so I bought it in Linstead. These sheets are also, I also bought these in Linstead. The pillows I also bought in Linstead at, I think, Maxi. Yeah, I bought the pillows in Maxi. Don't remember where the sheets were from. They were from Linstead, but I'm not sure the play of the name of the place. These curtains were also bought in Linstead. Yeah. So, and then as you can see, that is my view out there. Pretty cool. Then over here, alright, so on this side of the room I have my bigger bed that I don't sleep on, but I love this bed in my room. Yeah, so I have these sheets were also bought in Linstead. I bought most of my stuff in Linstead. And this I had for a really long time, my neck pillow with my eye mask. I have another pillow that I made the covering for, my towel, my bathroom towel, my little baby I've had since I was in all-day school, and my face rag that I made into a fan. So that's that bed. That's pretty. And then over on this side I have my closet, and I placed these curtains to my closet entrance. And then on the closet I have this half spring thing. It's my camp thing, and I have stitch on it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Remember, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. I hope I'll see you guys next time. Bye.